Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is Malik from buildwithmalik.com. I hope you guys are enjoying your day and you guys have a wonderful. And let me know where you guys are watching from, all right? And for those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Malik Amir. I'm a lead generation coach. So what I do is I teach people how to generate highly targeted leads and convert those leads into sales so that you can spend more time with your families, all right? Now, success is something that I'm definitely well into right now, and I've been able to have a lot of success in my life, and it's all because I've been able to work on a few different things and work with the right mentors that can help me to have my breakthrough, right? Now, it doesn't really matter what it is that you're trying to do. You can be successful at anything that you really put your mind to, but it takes a few different things in order for you to have success. Because coming into this year, into this decade, you know, everybody wants to have a successful decade. Everybody wants to have a successful year. But what are you going to do to make sure that you have that success? Now, I just want to give you a few tips of things that you can start to do that will help you to have success in your life. And it really doesn't matter what areas you really want to have success in, right? Now, just for example, if there was a person who had a goal that they want to lose 20 pounds coming into 2020, right? Now, you're going to set that goal and you're going to try to achieve that goal. But what is the true potential of any human being? This is something that we have to think about first. What is the true potential of any human being? And in my opinion, the potential of any human being is actually limitless, right? I mean, we are like the inheritors of the earth, right? We are like the kings of the dominion. So we have unlimited potential, and most of us are not tapping into our true potential. So if a person had this type of goal where they wanted to lose this amount of weight, they would have to have the belief level first, and they would have to tap into their true potential in order to be able to accomplish that goal, right? So it's the same thing if you have any type of goal, like whether it be a goal where you want to make a certain amount of money, or you want to, reach a certain rank in your business, or whatever it may be. You can actually do it and you can accomplish anything that you want, but you have to realize that it all starts with your belief level first, and it starts with tapping into your true potential. You have to realize that our potential is limited and you have to believe it, right? So if a person has this goal, like the example that I gave, and they want to start losing some weight, they might be a person who actually takes action on that goal, right? But in the back of their minds, they don't truly believe that they can do it. So since they don't have the belief level, they're not going to accomplish that goal. So they're going to take some action. They're going to try to achieve it, but in the back of their mind, they never believed it in the first place. So this is what causes us to sometimes give up on our goals and not have the success that we're looking for in our lives, right? So the first thing that you have to work on is your belief level. This is where it all starts. Because if you don't believe that it's possible or that it can happen in your subconscious, then it's not going to happen, okay? So the first thing that you have to do is raise your belief level, and you have to work on your mindset to where you believe that the things that you want to have in your life, the prosperity, the abundance, or whatever success that you want to have in your life, that you actually believe that it's possible and that you know your true potential. These are the first two things. Once you have the belief level and you know that it's actually possible, then the next thing that you can do is start taking the actions to make this goal happen. And then from there, you'll start receiving those type of results, okay? So this is something that I encourage everybody to do, because we're getting ready to go into a whole nother decade. Everybody's talking about, all of the goals and all of the things that they want to accomplish, but you have to first work on your belief level. You have to know your true potential, and you have to start tapping into that true potential so that you can start going up into higher levels of, the things that you actually want to accomplish, and start having that abundance in your lives, all right? So today I just wanted to talk a little bit about how you can have success in anything, and I hope that, this might have helped somebody who was watching this video. And I'm going to be doing some more Facebook Lives again soon, and I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday week. And I hope you guys enjoy the time with your families, all right? So go out there and crush it. Have success in your life. Increase your belief level and tap into your true potential, all right? Peace and blessings from Malik.